Welcome. In this quick guide, I'll show you how to set up two-step verification in Telegram so you can add an extra layer of security to your account and keep your conversations safe. Let's get started. First, open the Telegram app on your phone. Make sure you're logged into the account you want to protect. Next, tap the menu icon in the top corner of your screen. This will open up the main navigation panel. From there, tap on Settings to access your account options. Inside Settings, look for Privacy and Security and tap on it. This is where Telegram keeps all your security-related features. Now, find and tap on two-step verification. This feature adds a password on top of your usual login code, making it much harder for anyone else to access your account. Tap on Set Password to begin. You'll be asked to enter a password. Choose something strong but easy for you to remember. Once you've entered it, confirm your password by typing it again. After that, Telegram gives you the option to add a hint. This step is optional, but it can be helpful in case you forget your password later. Just make sure the hint isn't too obvious. Next, you'll be prompted to add a recovery email address. This is very important because it allows you to reset your password if you ever lose access. Enter your email, then check your inbox for the confirmation code and enter it into the app. And that's it. Two-step verification is now active on your Telegram account, giving you stronger protection against unauthorized access. Taking a few minutes to set this up can make a big difference in keeping your personal data secure.